Hello, I am Kiku Sharda. To clear our doubts and raise awareness about antimicrobial resistance, let's invite a doctor. Let's get started. Doctor, what is antimicrobial resistance and its causes?
See, antimicrobials are the antibiotics which are used to prevent and treat the infectious diseases. Now, the antimicrobial resistance happens when these antibiotics are no longer active against the infections, means the infection become resistant to the antibiotics. So that leads to the more severe spread of infection, severe complications, and sometimes even the death of the patient can happen. The main factors which are responsible for the antibiotic resistance, they are the indiscriminate use of antibiotic, misuse of the antibiotics, and out of which the factors of the patients are not taking antibiotic as prescribed by the doctor, and they take the over the counter medications. So it must be prevented.
How does antimicrobial resistance impact society, and can you give us some tips for infection prevention?
See, people with antibiotic resistant infections, they are more difficult to treat and they require more complex care. And sometimes the worst case scenario is when we do not have any effective antibiotic left. But the good news is that we can prevent the antimicrobial resistance by using the medications which are prescribed by the doctor, and we should not take the medication without the prescription of the doctor. Tips for the prevention of infection are that we should maintain proper hygiene, like we should practice the frequent hand washing, and to prevent the foodborne infection we should cook the vegetables properly and should consume the fruit and vegetable after proper washing, and get vaccinated for the common infectious diseases as prescribed by the doctor. When you suffer from the infectious disease, take the antibiotics only after showing the doctor and taking the proper prescription. Do not use antibiotic without the prescription, and you should complete the course of antibiotics as prescribed by the doctor, and you should not share the medication of one person with the other, means you should not consume the medication and you should not give the your medication to the other person.
Thank you, doctor, for your time and detailed explanation. I urge everyone to be aware of this issue and take care. Thank you for listening.